Hey, Gary Baker here at 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I want to show you what's possible in less than 30 minutes with just 3 videos. As you can see here, my affiliate stats for a product called Activity Book Generator. You can see the earnings here, $920.12. This money was earned from 3 videos, all totaling less than 30 minutes in length when you put them all together to promote this product. You can see the first video here, 11 minutes, 36 seconds, simply linking out to get this product. Here's the second video. You can see this is the exact same kind of thing, even less, 8 minutes, 43 seconds. Same idea here. Create a video, show someone exactly how to use the tool, and then link out to that tool. The third example you'll see here, again, simply linking out to the product. In this case, I linked out to a bonus page, which is a strategy and one of the strategies that you can learn when you're doing these simple types of videos. Again, you can see this video, 6 minutes and 27 seconds. And those 3 videos all together made me, as you can see here, $553.39, $288.45. Then you can see some additional earnings here from email 1 and email 2, the tracking codes that I used. These were actually from an email list that I built using this same strategy. And that strategy can be learned inside of this training, really helpful internet marketing stuff, or REMS 5.0, the Launch Jacking Guide. You can see here, this is going to introduce you into the concept of launch jacking 101, exactly what it is, to include finding the right products, which is what I've done over at my other channel, is I found the right products and I built the audience that I need to do this strategy. And when I'm talking about the strategy, it's all going to be covered here. You can see your launch jacking campaign, the launch jacking roadmap, phases of launch jacking, list building. Again, you saw the sales that actually came from my email list. That's what 3.3 list building with launch jacking is all about. Priming your tribe, creating your bonuses. Again, I showed you that I linked out to a bonus page. Creating your bonuses is covered as well in this training, as well as creating your reviews and then managing the actual process of doing the reviews, or what is called the launch jack. Click the link in the description. It'll take you over to this bonus page right here, which is my bonus page for picking up REMS 5.0, the ultimate guide to launch jacking. Watch that video. It'll explain everything there. There's a green get it now button. You can see the countdown timer. This is only available for the next 4 days and 14 hours, depending on when you watch this video. This page is going to explain to you all the bonuses you're going to get, to include the ability to work with me one-on-one to get this strategy up and running, to start getting your own results. And again, all you need to do to see everything about this strategy and a complete walkthrough of the training, click the link in the description and the pinned first comment. It takes you over to this bonus page that you see right here with this video, which is a complete review of REMS 5.0, the ultimate guide to launch jacking, which is the exact same strategy that I use to create this type of revenue, with 3 videos and 3 videos that were all together under 30 minutes in length. So I hope that all makes sense. If it doesn't, go ahead, ask me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. But again, click the link in the description. It'll take you over to the bonus page for the full review of this training and exactly what you'll get inside of the training to get the same results, or to mirror the results that I've been getting over on the other YouTube channel, as well as this YouTube channel. Link in the description, click it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.